Friday marks a change in how Hoosiers can carry handguns in public starting July 1st. An Indiana law eliminates the license requirement for carrying or possessing a handgun. Anyone who could carry with a permit can now do it without. And today, WHAS 11's Brooke Hash is breaking down a new document, answering all of the questions about who can and who can't carry a gun.
Indiana's Attorney General Todd Rokita calls it the Gun Owner's Bill of Rights. It answers just about every question you might have when it comes to owning a gun. So let's break it down. In short, anyone over the age of 18 can own and openly carry a gun without a permit or a license as long as they do not have a felony conviction, domestic violence offense, or dangerous mental illness. So should you still apply for a license? And that answer is yes, only if you plan to carry a handgun in another state. Next up, how about restrictions on where you can carry a firearm? Well, to name a few, you cannot carry in schools, airports, most aircrafts, casinos, and the State Fairgrounds. But also be aware that federal law prohibits firearms in all federal facilities and in school zones. Now let's talk about who else can prevent you from carrying. Private businesses and property owners may restrict you from carrying a weapon on their property. Be mindful of their signage and know that you can also be charged with criminal trespass for entering a business after you've been denied entry or have been asked to leave. So how about your employer? Can they restrict your right to carry a gun? And that answer is yes. Many employers prohibit weapons in the workplace, even for those otherwise allowed to possess a weapon. However, Indiana law does protect employees who keep their firearms securely locked out of sight inside their car while parked at work. With some exceptions, it's also against the law for an employer to require you to disclose information about whether you own or use a firearm. That is, unless it concerns the duties of your employment. Now, how about registering your gun? Indiana's red flag laws and your rights when approached by a police officer. You can find the entire Gun Owner's Bill of Rights right now online at WHAS11.com.